Alright, hey guys, it's your boy EGOtistical Baller on PB Nation, or for my YouTube, it's NT Baller 17. But right now, we're gonna have a shooting video of canary in a coal mine pm8 with a rotor. Oh, and a 50 cubic inch carbon fiber stubby, or ninja stubby. And we're gonna be shooting a mixture of got Evil, All-Star, and RPS in there. And I think there's some Diablo in there. Oh, but we're pretty much going to be shooting off the rest at uncapped semi. This is the shooting video for my PB Nation thread. Hold on. Alright. Beautiful day out here in Virginia. We're going to be shooting at that tree over there. Sorry about that. We're going to be shooting I don't know, maybe about a hopper full. Marker, gonna turn it on. Eyes on. Rotor on. There. Basically, this thing is freaking awesome. Whoops. Alright, thank you guys just once again for my PB Nation, guys. As you can see, the marker does function. Oh, I just turn the eyes off. Marker does function, the ASA works. Turn that off there. And the only scratches, the gun is completely flawless. As you can see, the only scratches on this thing are on the tip of the barrel, as for any other gun. The only blemishes are on the tip. And I know you guys want to look at it. After firing, that thing is completely clear. Thanks again, though. This is up for trades. Egos take priority, guys. This is all I wanted, a straight trade for a really nice ego. Thanks again. EGOtistical Baller and NT Baller 17 out.